All right, guys, Jason and KiloWattRC. We have the Traxxas XRT running 12S. Back components, Mat 20 ESC, Hobbywing 56118, 1600 kV, some KiloWattRC, Thrasher, lipos. That was a good pass. Let's see how fast that was. Let's see how fast she was. Yeah, that was pretty good. She was a little slippery, but that was a pretty good pass for a warm-up. All right. Let's see how fast that was. Okay. Let's make sure the speed is still registering. Yes, it is. Stop. Read. 121. Not bad at all. You see how fast that was? Okay. Let's make sure the speed is still registering. Yes, it is. Stop. Read. 121. Not bad at all. Let's do one more pass, all right? Track. Start. Stop. Read. Come on now. Track. Start. All right, so we're at 121, warm-up pass. Let's run that again. Yeah, I was a little nervous on that pass, so give me a little. She was rolling, man. I let off. It's a nice little warm-up pass. All right, let's go ahead and get it in. Let's go get it in. Damn! She lifted. Let's do one more pass, all right? Track, start, stop, read, come on now, track, start. All right, so one more pass. I don't know what she crashed at. Straight up got air, but she was moving though. GPS still on? Of course not. Where's the GPS at? Oh, there's the GPS. Thank God. One battery flew out. Nice. ESC flew out. Not nice at all. Good Lord. All right, let's see what speed that was. Stop, read, 111. Pull the whole ESC out. I wonder where the camera went. Oh, there's the camera. So we can hit, stop. All right. Well, that's the path. Broke the bulkhead right in half. Look at that. Brand new bulkhead broken. That's crazy. All right, guys. Follow up on the carnage. We did it again. Another bulkhead damage badly. Look at that. And I also broke the shock tower as well. If you could see, here's the last bulkhead I just put in today or yesterday. This one was all smashed up. But yeah, we'll fix that and we'll be back at it again. All right, so yeah, you saw the video, the bad crash. Wasn't even that fast. I don't know. I've been a little rusty, so I need to be a little bit more careful when I run, be a little bit more paranoid, like, you know, when I used to run, and, you know, so I'm going to get back in it. We're going to do it again. As you saw, the Thrasher lipo, one of them shot out. I believe it was this one. Right now, I discharged it. There's a milliohms. They were not prepped, but they had a lot of kick. They had a lot of kick with this ESC. A lot of kick. It's a ton of kick. This ESC is crazy. There are different variants of this out here. You got the XC, you got the Vidavon, but this is the original, guys. Come on, y'all know me. You know my channel. This is the original ESC. Yeah, so when we get the XRT fixed up, we will run that again. But yeah, guys, tune in. I'm gonna try to upload as much content as I can. School's starting back up, so I'll see what I can do. Okay, guys. All right, peace.